Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add send message button on Facebook page. So first of all, just open your Facebook application on your mobile and then you have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then you have to switch to your page. So tap on the switch, and once you are on your page, tap on your profile icon again and click on your page name. And here you will see these three dots. So click on these three dots and then tap on the second option, edit action button. So here you will see this message button by default. So if you want to remove it, just tap on this remove. And if you want to add another action buttons, tap on this edit buttons. Here you will see many action buttons like this: get people to contact you, these are help people to support you, and these are linked to your website or app. So select the button you want to add like this, tap on it, and then after selecting, just click on this save button and your send message button added to Facebook page. This is how you can add send message button on Facebook page. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.